Chia seeds, small yet powerful, are tiny black and white seeds that can significantly enhance your health when incorporated into your daily routine. By simply consuming a tablespoon a day, you can unlock a myriad of benefits that can transform your well-being. First and foremost, these seeds are a powerhouse of fiber. When mixed with liquid, they swell and form a gel-like substance which soothes the digestive tract and promotes regularity. This not only alleviates digestive issues but also fosters a thriving gut environment for optimal nutrient absorption. Furthermore, chia seeds are a valuable ally for heart health. Packed with essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, these tiny seeds can help regulate blood pressure and enhance overall cardiovascular function. By reducing pressure on the heart, chia seeds contribute to a healthier circulatory system while potentially preventing future heart-related issues. Many people overlook the connection between diet and heart function, but incorporating chia seeds can play a crucial role in long-term heart health. A balanced blood sugar level is essential for maintaining energy and preventing fatigue, and chia seeds can help stabilize your blood sugar by slowing the digestion of carbohydrates. This slower process prevents sudden spikes and crashes, making chia seeds an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight effectively. With their high fiber content, which promotes a sense of fullness, chia seeds become a beneficial companion in a weight management journey, curbing the urge to overindulge. Moreover, these nutrient-dense seeds support bone health through their rich supply of phosphorus, boron, and omega-3 fatty acids. These components work together to enhance bone density and overall strength, making them an essential part of your diet, especially for those concerned about maintaining a robust skeletal structure as they age. In addition, chia seeds provide healthy fats that deeply hydrate the skin, promoting a radiant complexion while protecting against environmental damage. Chia seeds do more than just support physical health. They are incredible for brain health as well. The omega-3 fatty acids present in chia seeds have been linked to improved cognitive function, making them a great addition for anyone looking to boost their brain power. To harness the benefits of chia seeds, consider making a delightful chia pudding. Simply mix the seeds with your choice of milk, allow it to thicken, and then enjoy with fresh fruits or nuts to satisfy your sweet cravings healthily. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can pave the way to numerous health benefits, proving that such tiny seeds indeed carry immense power